Come test drive the 2011 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's Sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound, trip computer, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.